In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the PS5 controller not connecting issue. Before we dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if your PS5 controller isn't connecting to your console, these quick tips should help you get back in the game fast. First, go ahead and check to see if there is another controller already paired and active. It can actually block new connections. To do this, hold the PlayStation Plus button. To do this, go ahead and hold the PlayStation button on the active controller for about 10 seconds and actually go ahead and power that controller off, and then connect your other controller using a USB-C cable and then press the PlayStation button and it should sync up. Now, if you only do have one controller, what I recommend doing is actually disconnecting it from a cable that it's currently plugged into and turning off that controller. From here, go ahead and plug the controller in with a USB cable and then press the PlayStation button to actually reconnect that controller. Now, if you're still having a specific issue with a specific controller, go ahead and go to the settings tab from the home menu of your PlayStation and then scroll down until you see the accessibility option and open it up. Then find the controllers tab here and find the Bluetooth accessories within here. Simply just find your controller and forget that device. Now, if it's not within Bluetooth, just go straight to accessories here, then go to your controller and then go ahead and find your controllers down here. And once again, just remove that device and then reset the controller. To do this, go to the back of the DualSense controller and there's actually a small little reset button. Use a paper clip or a pen and just hold it down for 5 seconds and then plug it back into that PlayStation to reconnect it. If you don't want to do all of that, sometimes a simple restart on the PlayStation can fix it. To do this, simply just go ahead and press the PlayStation button on a controller, go all the way over to this little power button and then hit restart PS5. This will fully power it off, just wait a few seconds and then turn it back on and check to see if that fixes it. If it's still not working, use a different USB-C cable or use a different USB port on the console and inspect to see if the controller's charging port is actually clean with a small brush or compressed air, and that should fix any issues that you're currently having. Let me know down below if you do have any questions we can help you out further, but I'm going to wrap this video up here. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.